And here is Felicia and Joanne's stations. They did their decorating together. And look, there's brains. They're gonna cook them for lunch.
Yeah, smell these favorites. Alright. These are our purple lights that me and Mel put up, but they don't like to stay. And we have a jar of body parts, some ears,
Ooh.
and some fingers. And this is where I shoved a person.
Just someone hiding in her station.
We have seats. No, nice and tan. And then a bowl of more body parts. And some illegal substances. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. And yep, that's our station.
They got more people hanging up there.
Maybe for a little bit. This is pretty pimped out for Halloween. Alright.
There's more. Oh, and this guy is also part of their decorating.
So are we doing the body again?
There is their station.